Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, what a good win, good results. Chelsea score many goals, 4 goals. Yes, Djurgarden 1, Chelsea 4. But guys, can you remember that I said Nicolas Jackson is back? Nicolas Jackson is back, guys. This game, Jackson was using the bullet of an elephant to shoot a rabbit. Nicolas Jackson can't wait for Liverpool. Jackson cannot wait for Liverpool. Jackson is now scoring goals for fun. For fun. Last 2 games for Nicolas Jackson, 3 goals. This game, 45 minutes play, 2 goals. And recently, the way and manner Jackson is now even scoring his goals amazes me, makes me happy. Guys, look at the corners, he is now putting the ball. Look at the angles, he is now putting the ball. I can see huge improvement from Nicolas Jackson. Guys, very soon, Nicolas Jackson will change our life as Chelsea fans. Guys, Jackson is back. I'm happy for this guy. If Jackson was scoring like this, not missing his chances, why should Chelsea go and sign a striker again? Yeah, since last season, if Jackson were scoring, why should we talk about spending 100 million or 80 million to go and sign another striker? No. So guys, recently, Jackson improved. Jackson improved a lot. And as I said, the way and manner he is now shooting the balls, the angles, he doesn't shoot straight to the goalkeeper. He makes sure that he finds a direction. He finds a spot. Look at the goal he scored against Everton. The corner he put the ball. And look at his 2 goals in this game. The corners, he is putting the goal. Look at the first goal from this game. He did some ball roll and then put the ball at the back of the net to the corner. Yes! That kind of goals, see, it will take super goalkeepers to save them. Average goalkeepers cannot save them. So let's hope Jackson continue that form, guys, because this is the right time we need goals. This is the right time, Chelsea. We need goals. We need everybody. And this game also, yes, Cole Palmer gave assist. And Cole Palmer, Charlie, guys, this is why football is football. Yes, the Cole Palmer who started the season very well. Recently, we are seeing different Cole Palmer. This game, he had one chance. Just shoot the ball. He was trying to dribble. I don't understand what he was trying to do there. In fact, guys, I don't want to believe that Cole Palmer forget how to score goals. That is football. That is football. Let's hope and let's wish him all the best. He returned to his normal form. Yes, because as we all knew, Cole Palmer, yes, talented player. Cole Palmer, he carried Chelsea from last season up to the beginning of this season. Yes, till when he got injured, yes, things just turn around. And that is the Premier League, as I said. That is football full of uncertainty, yes, and probabilities. Yes. And this game, I was watching Brentford and Nottingham Forest game. Guys, I won't lie. Yes, my one eye was watching this game. And my other eye was watching Nottingham Forest, Brentford. Yes, at the end, Brentford won 2-0. So, Forest, yes, Chelsea equalized Forest with the same points, 60 points. Now, we are using goal difference to top them, being on 5th on the league table. And guys, now it gives me the hope that Chelsea, we can make top 4. Chelsea, we are making top 4. Forest will come out. Yes, when you look at their past 2 games, they lost. And their next game, when I check, Crystal Palace, and it will be difficult for them to beat Palace. Palace home, it will be difficult. So, what should Chelsea do recently is just to go and win our remaining games. That is all. Our destiny is now in our own hands. If we can win our remaining games, we are good to go. I'm telling you. So, I'm happy. Yes, Forest lost. Yes, 2-0 to Brentford. So, there is hope. There is hope. For me, I want Chelsea to get 4th position or even 3rd, not 5th. No. We must get the traditional top 4. To show that we are Chelsea and to show haters that we are still Chelsea. So guys, this game, I'm happy. Yes, Nottingham Forest lost. And Manchester United, in fact, pure rob. This is what we call rob. I'm telling you, Manchester United, they robbed innocent Bilbao. They robbed them. It wasn't a red card. Any day, any time, it wasn't a red card. And the red card just changed the game. I don't know. UEFA, they have agenda with Manchester United. Now they are giving United opponent a red card for United to win. Their last game, quarter-final, Lyon. They gave Lyon red card. It was just another silly, yes, foul. The referee gave that player red card. At the end, United won that game. Extra time. This game also, the same thing. The game just started. You book a player, defender, red card, and he gave United the opportunity to win that game. Come and see them how they are making noise over there. Pure up cheating, cheat. No. For me, I still believe that no matter how the situation, United is not winning the Europa League. No. And in fact, guys, football is gone. Football is gone, ladies and gentlemen. Can you believe that Manchester United 14, 15, 13, 14, 15 on the Premier League table, now playing semi-final in the Europa League? What kind of qualities this Manchester United team have this season to be in the semi-final of Europa League? No. Football has gone. The competition has gone low, downgraded, retrograded. No. There's no more competition in football. How? Premier League 15, they are in the semi-final Europa League. No. Football is gone. No. Look at us. Look at Chelsea. We are doing well in the Premier League. But still, this Conference League, I can even tell you, is difficult and tougher than Europa League this season. How? Look at Tottenham position in the Premier League. Look at Manchester United position in the Premier League. And they are winning their European games. They are winning their Europa League games. No. Football is gone. Competition in football now downgraded to the lowest level. I'm telling you. So, guys, let's come to this game. This game, guys, Sancho is back. The Sancho we know at the beginning of this season, he is back. Sancho is now performing. Our last games since Ipswich Town game up to now, Sancho is delivering. He is delivering like a pregnant woman. He is delivering like a post office. I'm telling you. Sancho scoring, giving assists, giving assists. In fact, if Sancho will continue as this, if Chelsea sign him, I will not be surprised. I won't lie. If Sancho continue giving that good performance, Chelsea signing him, yes, I will not be surprised. Especially if we get Champions League football next season, because Sancho, he had that experience. He ever played in Champions League final. So let's hope. At the end of the day, yes, Chelsea will qualify for top 4 because that matters most. And the next player, this game, Djurgarden had some nice saves in this game. Yes, good saves. Yes, at the beginning, they tried him several times. Yes, he had that save. So for me, that is why I said Maresca is not being fair to Djurgarden this season. The time Sanchez was doing those errors, for me, I think Maresca is supposed to give him some more time in the Premier League, playing time in the Premier League, for Djurgarden to also show himself, prove himself. Yes, so far so good. I was hoping for a clean sheet for Djurgarden, but unfortunately, it didn't happen. But we still won. Yes, next league, second league in Stamford Bridge. Yes, we'll just finish the game there and move on to the final. And the final, actually, it will not be easy. Fiorentina and Real Betis. Yes, Spain teams, they are difficult in final. Spain teams, when we come to finals, they are good and they are difficult to beat. But still, we are Chelsea. Yes, we'll beat them. I'm telling you. And the next player, Madueke. Guys, what is wrong with this guy? I think Madueke thinks that he owns this Chelsea team. I don't know why. Look at the first half. He was selfish. He will have the ball, pass the ball. Madueke will be holding the ball, going to a direction which is unnecessary. Pass the ball or shoot. He will do unnecessary dribbles. I don't understand. I said it already. See, this guy, he is talented like Yamal and Co. The guy is good too, but just that when to release the ball. When to release the ball, when to shoot, when to pass. That is his problem. He is playing as if he is the boss, or he owns Chelsea, or Chelsea is his own club. I don't know why. You are playing for your team, for that team to win. When you find yourself in the right position, release the ball or shoot. But Madueke will be doing unnecessary dribble. He will not pass the ball. I don't understand. No. He had to improve because next season more wingers are coming. Estavia and Co are coming. Oh, Madueke, you go back to the bench. This is Chelsea. This is a big team. We don't care. If you don't prove it, we are bringing in new players. Yes. So this game, Madueke also play well. And Cole Palmer. I said something about Cole Palmer. Charlie, it seems now Cole Palmer and Sancho exchange boots. Yes. Sancho gave his shooting boot to Cole Palmer, and Cole Palmer now gave his shooting boot to Sancho. I don't understand. Now Cole Palmer, if he get the ball to shoot, the indecision is on his head. Yes, I don't know. Or Cole Palmer also have some issue with his girlfriend, or what is wrong? I don't know. That is a mental issue, guys. That is not tactical thing or technical. No, that is mental issue. Cole Palmer is overthinking these days. Indecision. If Palmer had the ball to shoot, one of his heart will tell him shoot. One of his heart will tell him don't shoot. I don't know why. I don't know why. Now we have different Cole Palmer, but let's hope. Let's wish him all the best. He returned because when Cole Palmer is in the form, Charlie, the world feel it. Yes, the world see it. Yes, so let's hope Cole Palmer return because Charlie, I'm not happy. I'm not happy for this young talented footballer, the best midfielder in the Premier League and European football, the world at large. Almighty Cole Palmer. Yes, and Moses Caicedo came in, yes, in the second half. He played very well. As usual, Moses Caicedo never disappoint. Yes, since he came in, he just took over and started dominating, rolling the ball, yes, doing his tackles, giving those passes. I think he gave assists. Yes, Jackson first goal. I think he intercepted the ball for Jackson to score that first goal. Yes, so this game also, as usual, yes, Caicedo played very well. And Nicolas Jackson, as usual, yes, scoring 2 goals. Important 2 goals. And for me, I think this is why Maresca brought them in, Nicolas Jackson and co, Chalobah and co, yes, Caicedo and co, for them to use this game as a warm-up, prepare for Liverpool game on Sunday. Yes, so I saw that idea from Maresca, but just that sometimes in football, injuries are also part. So maybe I was thinking he will rest them, but because they were not been scoring recently, yes, Palmer and Jackson. So Maresca want them to use this kind of games, come back to their scoring form, their goal scoring form. So I see what Maresca, or I can see where Maresca is coming from. Yes, not bad. And at the end, all of them play safely, no injury. Yes, injury free. Cole Palmer, Nicolas Jackson, Caicedo, and Chalobah. Everybody play well. And this game, for me, I think even the players, they were playing this game thinking about Liverpool game on Sunday. I'm telling you. And that game will be crucial, important one. Just making top 4 this season. Yes, it will contribute a lot. Let's hope at least, even if we will not win, we will not lose. At least that Liverpool, because if we win that Liverpool game, our players will get all the morals. We can even beat Newcastle, beat Manchester United, go and beat Forest. Yes, and then maybe even if we win the remaining game, for me, I believe that we'll get it. I'm telling you, apart from Arsenal and Liverpool confirmed, yes, the remaining teams, yes, we are all struggling to get the top 4. So if just we can win our remaining games, we can end the season with 3rd position in the league table. I'm telling you. So let's hope that Liverpool game will contribute, as I said. If we lose that game, Charlie, the players' morals will go down. But if we win that game, I'm telling you, we are winning the remaining games. And Newcastle, yes, they are difficult opponents, but sometimes we beat them. Yes, even their form season, we will beat them. Yes, we normally had our win against them. So, guys, not a bad game. 4 goals. Yes, they are coming back to our home, Stamford Bridge. As far as we score so many goals, even if they come and get goals, we'll use aggregate. Yes. At the ending part of this season, Chelsea, top 4 we are aiming for. Like a Champions League fan. I'm telling you, because, Charlie, next season, I can't see Champions League football without Chelsea. I am sick and tired as a Chelsea fan, not seeing Chelsea playing Champions League. Arsenal and Co, they are just wasting the Champions League spot. I'm telling you, Aston Villa, Newcastle, yes, if they go, they don't have that history, yes, that power in the Champions League. My respect to them, yes. But, Charlie, we have levels. When Chelsea go to Champions League, even our bad days, European football will always conquer. We always beat the Spanish team, the Italian teams, the French teams. So, Chelsea making top 4, it will be good for the safety of the Premier League, yes, and even representing Premier League very well in European competition. So, guys, not a bad game, yes. Chelsea 4, Djurgarden 1. Let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this game. And Chelsea Liverpool, that game, I'm thinking about it. I'm not sleeping. Yes. By the way, the preview is coming. Yes, Chelsea Liverpool, a podcast is coming. So please turn on the notification bell. If any video arrive on this channel, you'll be the first person to see it. Take care. Peace.